Have you ever wondered how you can take your Facebook profile to the next level and make it more professional? Whether you are a content creator, influencer, or just someone looking to grow your online presence, Facebook's professional mode is a game changer. By turning on professional mode, you can monetize your content, track your performance, reach a bigger audience, and enhance your brand. And the best part, it is super easy to set up right from your PC, and you don't need to create a separate page. In this video, I am going to walk you through the quick and simple steps to enable professional mode on your Facebook profile. Let's dive in. So, first head over to your normal Facebook account. You can see the number of friends are listed just below your name, and then the number of followers are listed within the edit bio section. Turn this now to professional mode. Click on the three dots, and then turn on professional mode. Now, before turning on the professional mode, here are some things you should know. You can get paid for your content, you can grow your audience, you can see content insights, and get discovered with the mentions. If you're ready, just click on the turn on button, and then done. And the page will refresh. As you can see, the list of friends is not listed under your name. Rather, it is the number of followers and the people you are following. So this is the professional mode. You click on the professional dashboard, you will be able to see the post reach, the post engagement, and the number of followers you have gained from that particular post. But of course, there will be more insights. Now, if you want to turn back to the normal mode, what you have to do is click again on the three dots and then click on the turn off professional mode and then click on continue. Here is what you should know before turning back to your normal mode. The first thing is that any of your existing insights will no longer be available. Then you will receive pending payments, but you won't earn money on your profile when professional mode is turned off. The third thing is that you will no longer have access to professional dashboard or any professional mode tools. Then the last one is not everyone will be able to mention your mentions will remain on your profile, but there are some things that will remain the same, like your current friends, followers, and profile content won't change. Your who can follow me setting is set to public. You can change this anytime in settings. Then the last one is if you change your mind, you can turn on professional mode anytime. If you're ready, you just click on turn off. And yeah, here we are back again, back to the normal Facebook mode. And that is it, guys. As you can see, it is pretty easy and straightforward to turn your normal Facebook mode to professional mode. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.